our busy house. The last thing I need is to waste time and money on frequent ink changes. We needed a printer that could keep up. That's why we got an Inkvestment Tank multifunction inkjet printer from Brother. I love that it came with up to 1 year of ink in the box, and the XL model comes with an amazing up to 2 years of ink. That means months and months of affordable, uninterrupted, color printing for the whole family. It looks sleek in our home office, and it's so compact, it can fit almost anywhere in the house. We never have to deal with messy tank refills because the Inkvestment Tank cartridges are easy to replace and automatically fill the internal ink storage tank. We use the Brother Mobile Connect app to easily print, scan, and check ink usage from anywhere. Our printer connects wirelessly or through USB, making it a breeze to use whenever or wherever we need it. It's great having a reliable printer that can keep up with our work, school, and family without slowing us down. Break the endless ink replacement cycle with an Inkvestment Tank inkjet printer only from Brother.
Introducing Epson's Expression Home XP 4100 printer. It's a full-featured, all-in-one, ideal for home or office. Printing on the XP 4100 is easy and fun. Print wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet, or use hands-free, voice-activated printing. Scan and share anything to the cloud. And with the Creative Print mobile app, you can create borderless photo collages, print stationery, and more. Setup is simple on the 2.4-inch color LCD screen, and with features like auto two-sided printing and a 100-sheet paper feed tray, you can do more in less time. Save more with 4 individual instant dry ink cartridges. Replace only the cartridge that runs out. The Epson XP 4100, a great solution to all of your family's printing needs in a compact, space-saving design. Epson, exceed your vision.
HP Instant Ink is a smart print subscription service that delivers ink the moment you need it. You get ink or toner, plus hassle-free deliveries starting as low as 99 cents. How does it work? Step 1. Pick a plan based on the number of pages you print in a month. Step 2. Print whatever you want. Every page costs the same no matter how much ink you use. Step 3. When you run low, your smart printer lets us know, and we ship your ink or toner at no extra cost. Print more or less? Unused pages roll over, and extra pages cost just pennies. Plus, you can change plans or cancel anytime.